best, which is the best, finance or marketing?
What a million dollar question. Tell me what you like. Do you like numbers to the core of the heart? Or if you're not able to decide, this is for that boy only, if he's listening, or if you still have a confusion on a scale of 0 to 10, where do you like the numbers? This is 5, 6. If you want to take finance, the numbers should be around 9 to 10. It is all about being bang on, a great clarity on the numbers, mathematics, great hold on maths, great hold on accountancy. Very important. If you're not interested into that throughout your life, you don't opt for finance. One. Second, if you're very interested in the awareness part, people take marketing, sales nahi karni, business development nahi karni. It is about awareness, branding, sales, marketing, advertising. So very clear. Numbers is finance, awareness, talking to people, spreading is marketing. And always accompany, justify your specializations with the relevant projects and internships. Keep on doing it throughout your MBA at least. And if there is still a confusion, my suggestion to all my students throughout my career is do each specialization 1 or 2 projects. इधर भी करो दो, इधर भी करो दो, आपको खुद माइंड में क्लैरिटी हो जाएगी what you are liking. Because many times what we want, what we think, what we feel is different. And what we do never matches all 3. So when you will do, you will feel what you are liking, you will feel what you are thinking, and then you will take a conscious and a right decision. Please work. 1-2 प्रोजेक्ट्स करिए, उसके बाद डिसाइड करिए. नंबर्स अच्छे लग रहे हैं करने के बाद, आफ्टर डूइंग, not after listening to Miss Sharma or Dr. Tank or listening on LinkedIn, Naukri.com, YouTube. Do yourself. Then decide what you really liked. Did you like numbers, analysis, working out on charts, accounts, mathematics, analyzing, finance? I wanted to make myself aware and people aware, whether it is branding, marketing, sales, talking to people, sharing is marketing. The modes can be different. It is absolutely clear like that.